Hello everyone, this is Rance, and today I'll be unboxing the Corsair Strafe mechanical gaming keyboard. I got the red and black model instead of the RGB version since it is cheaper and it matches with the theme of my current setup. Let's see what's inside the box. We have here the FPS and MOBA keys and also the keyboard key remover. Here's the instruction manual that I won't be reading and the actual keyboard itself. Now let's take a closer look of the keyboard. Here's the USB cable and the USB pass-through. You can elevate the keyboard by using the kickstand underneath. The keyboard has red LED lighting which is sharp and adjustable in 3 different levels. Here's how it looks when the lights are off. You have the option to pick from the 7 different lighting effects which is configurable to the Corsair utility engine that you can download from the Corsair website. Here's an overview of some of my favorite lighting effects. This keyboard has 100% anti-ghosting, which means it will register all the keys you press, even if you press them at the same time. Overall, I am very satisfied with my purchase. After a week of use, I find the keyboard very responsive even when given a soft press. I highly recommend this keyboard not only for gamers but also for those who do lots of typing and coding, but only if you're willing to pay the price. This keyboard retails at around $80 on Amazon and around 5,300 pesos on Lazada. I've included the links on the description below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more videos. Parang awa niyo na.